My name is Joe, and I pick Shopify stores at random to see how we can get them lots of free traffic from search engines. Today we're looking at shelash.com. This is a nice looking store that appears to specialize in eyelash extensions and accessories. And this is something that a lot of Shopify stores face, and that's that they're in a very competitive market. Eyelash extensions is an extremely difficult keyword to rank for. Traffic is 110,000 searches per month with a difficulty of 87. So I would not suggest targeting this keyword at all. So what can they do? Well, it looks like they have a brick and mortar store, so I would go for local keyword domination first. A lot of us don't have brick and mortar stores, so let's pretend that that's not an option here, and let's see what else they could do. If we look at the keyword eyelash extensions, there are a lot of variations of that keyword that are very easy to rank for and have a great amount of traffic. Hybrid eyelash extensions is getting 6,600 searches a month, and it's easy to rank for. I didn't see a product that matched this, but this is worth finding a product that matches. Brown eyelash extensions has 1,900 searches a month, and it's super easy to rank for. You probably don't even need any backlinks, but backlinks are always a good idea. Now, they do have a product that matches this, so if we optimize this product page for that keyword, we can get a nice chunk of that traffic pretty quickly. So how do we optimize this page? First, change the page URL to brown eyelash extensions with dashes in between. Make sure the page title and meta title has brown eyelash extensions near the beginning. In the meta description, you can put the keyword or put related keywords. Change the product title here to brown eyelash extensions, and then you can add satiny and 0.07 afterwards. Optimize one image for brown eyelash extensions and the other for a related keyword. Create an internal and external link somewhere on the page. A YouTube video somewhere would be nice, but that's optional. Put a paragraph of content with the main keyword one more time and some related keywords, or you can do a frequently asked questions section. Lastly, check the page speed, make sure it's loading in less than 3 seconds. Now, this is just one keyword for one product. There were hundreds of easy keywords just for eyelash extensions. So imagine if they did this for every eyelash product, then researched and did it for all the accessories. That would be a nice chunk of traffic. And that is only a small part of what SEO can do for the store.